Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today I want to tell Una more about Longrich Nigeria, the case I have with them. So last week Thursday, before you register this Longrich something, I told you people the last time on my previous video, say you have to add a number on your registration data, whatever. So Longrich Nigeria, my lawyer sent them a letter in August. You will hear everything from the message. So according to them, they said they were trying to reach my lawyer. They didn't get my lawyer, so they have to call that number, which they thought it was me. But because I'm not in Nigeria, so the person answered and recorded the voice note. So just listen.
On the subsection cancer, this was back when you made the complaint. I don't know what happened after that because I've been in and out of the country, honestly, running back and forth. So I assumed, or I believed, my customer service had handled it and he had come.
Like I sent a letter to Longrich Nigeria, I explained in my previous video. Longrich Nigeria have been ignoring my messages since 2020. They don't reply me. Whenever I send them message, they will even reply. They will say somebody is handling the issue. They will forget about it. Just keep on listening. She said, according to this woman, she's working with Longrich. I don't know her position, but she was the one that made the call before this person got this call recorded and sent it to me. They are trying to talk to me. Just listen.
The empty to complete the account so that your money can be given back to you. I didn't know where it stopped.
Now, when this report was filed in 2020, I contacted Longrich, which they claim they have looked for the person, that the person is far away in Anambra State that stole this money. I personally told Longrich that this person, even if this person is working with a stockist, there is no how this person will enter the company's account and take this money. This thing is all about an insider job. They refuse to take the claim that it was an insider job. But just listen to what this woman is saying. She said she has been away in far London, that she thought the customer service have handled my issue. Now I asked, Madam, even if you went to London not far from me, even if you went to London, policy demands that even if you are working with a company, you are supposed, when you came back, you are supposed to ask, how far with this case? How far? What is the next step to do? But you ignore it because you were not interested in the case. You are only responding to the case now because I have decided to take the case to court. So just listen.
You're working alone. So I think after she successfully did your own, she recruited people to join her. And to be honest, she's actually done quite a few in the last year or two.
Now, this woman just explained that after that lady working with Longrich Bioscience Company took my own money, she recruited other people to join her in the stealing something. So they say she has recruited, that they have had this type of cases, you understand, in the last year or two. So listen.
Money or helping anybody steal the money, there's actually a syndicate.
No, madam, you people are helping. All of you working in that company, you are helping people to steal the money and cover it up. Because if truly, like what you just said, that you people are not helping them to steal this money, when this money got missing, courtesy demands that you people could have started looking for the money. But you people ignore it. You thought I was a less customer. What can I do? So you people are helping people to steal. People working under you people are helping them to steal the money and to cover it up.
So that's the same experience that she had. But the problem is, and this is why I blame her, I said, okay, you couldn't reach this person. Maybe you should have traced it to the address. You should have taken a bit more serious. But to be fair, she swarmed with a lot of work. So again, I would like to apologize, but it wasn't anyone's deliberate intention to refuse to reply. So I don't know if you get access to lawyer.
Now, my question is, how many people are working in each department that somebody will keep on sending a message 20 times, 10 times, and nobody will reply? Is that how a good company operates? Is that how any normal company operates? That is why they have different departments where people work. When you are working in a department, you get even if a message 1 or 2 times, you were supposed to reply immediately. That is where you people are getting it wrong in Longrich Bioscience Company.
Now this is where we are.
All right.
This is where we are now.
Yeah.
You filed your matter. I mean, that's why I wanted to speak to your lawyer, because it's sort of inappropriate for me to, reach out to you to say anything. It's up to you, man. You can keep it there. That's not an issue. Of course, we'll show up. We'll defend it. There's nothing that we can do about that.
Madam, you are proud, and you are so proud of yourself and so full of yourself. Do you think going to court that was afraid of Longrich Bioscience Company? You are claiming here that you have your best lawyers. Send your lawyers to court. I never took a quack lawyer. I also went for the best. But I want to ask you, as a worker, you claim to be managing a company as big as Longrich Bioscience Company. As a worker in Longrich Bioscience Company, do you want to tell me, what are you coming to defend in court? Are you coming to defend the fact that my money was not stolen in Longrich Bioscience Company? And money I sent into the account. Are you coming to tell us that this money wasn't taken from the company's account? Are you coming to tell us in court that a worker in Longrich Bioscience Company did not take this money? Are you also coming to tell us that this money, that you people have been ignoring this money, thinking that I will not do anything? Is that what you are coming to say in court? What are you coming to defend? Are you coming to defend the criminal activities going on in Longrich Bioscience Company? Are you coming to defend the way the workers in the company behave? That is what I'm not getting. You said you think you can threaten me not to go to court? No. We will go to court. We will meet in court.
Your letter came in August. The staff that was, quote unquote, in training to take over my job, she claims she received the letter. She signed it.
Now, she said there is somebody that wanted to take over her job. That means they're using my money now to do debate inside Longrich Company. They use and they do job whatever. That somebody wanted to take over her job. This one. Just the listing.
The problem was, first of all, your lawyer's number has not been going through. I've even tried to call. I've sent a text message. There's only one phone number on the letter. It's barely eligible. I've been able to pull it out. It's not ringing. It just says switched off. I've sent a text since yesterday. No call back. So I'm only calling after I wasn't able to reach your lawyer.
Now, madam, my lawyer filed this case in September when I asked her that she should stop waiting for you people, that she should take the case to court. Now, she filed the case in September. Longrich Bioscience Company refused to appear in court. You people never appeared in court or even sent your representative. My lawyer was in court, but you people were nowhere to be found. That is number one. Number two, the case was adjourned to fixed on another date, which we now got another letter that this case will be heard in December. I will advise Longrich Nigeria, appear in court in December. When you don't appear in court in December, I will come back to the internet and tell the public that you people have refused to appear in court.